Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Diablo Immortal but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store on Android smartphone. So let me actually try finding it. I will write Diablo, we can even add Immortal to that. And as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for. Now in order to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on our profile icon, go for the settings, and now family, parental controls, and there's actually two ways we can fix that. First one, simply disable parental controls, enter the PIN code, and then you'll have access to the game. The second way is to enter the PIN code right here, increase, show all included unrated, and sorry for that. And now we can go back, look for Diablo Immortal. And as you can see, the game is right here. So before doing that, also make sure that your phone supports that game, and then you'll be able to see it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.